Of the endocrine system is to release chemicals that send signals all throughout the body. The glands release these chemicals. These glands are the only organs in the body that release chemicals called hormones. There are 10 glands in the human body. The hypothalamus, which creates hormones that are stored in the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland, these hormones regulate all other glands. The parathyroid glands, which release parathyroid, which regulates the calcium level in the blood. Thymus, which releases thymosin, which helps with childhood development. The adrenal glands, which release epinephrine and norepinephrine, which deal with stress. The pineal gland, which releases melatonin that regulates the body clock or the sleep-wake cycle. The thyroid, which releases thyroxine, which regulates the metabolism. The pancreas, which releases insulin and glucagon, which regulates the level of glucose in the blood. The ovaries in females, which produce estrogen and progesterone, which are involved in the development of secondary female sex characteristics, and then the testes in male, which produce testosterone, which are involved in male secondary sex characteristics. Some unique facts about the endocrine system are that the activity of the thyroid gland is not actually controlled by the thyroid itself, but by the hypothalamus. Second fact, the hypothalamus also controls water balance in the body. When you lose enough water, the hypothalamus will send signal to the pituitary gland that it needs to release antidectorin hormone, which slows down the removal of water from the blood. And then third, calcium is actually the most important mineral that the endocrine system limits, as it is essential to smooth blood flow and muscle contraction. Now, the most common disease associated with the endocrine system is thyroid cancer, which has really no symptoms except for a possible lump on the neck and some jaw or neck pain. It doesn't show up in blood tests, and yeah, that's it.